I'm Barbara Brown, and I help people restore their lives to God's original design. Today, I'm going to show you how to make my ultimate power breakfast in 5 minutes or less. This is a delicious, nutrition-packed meal that's fast. It stays with you all morning, keeps you sharp, and gives you tons of natural energy. Now, here's what you'll need to have on hand. A really good blender. I use a blend tech because it will mix almost anything without complaining, and it'll outlast any blender you can find. Next, homemade almond and coconut milk. You can use commercial almond milk, but homemade almond milk is so much better, and it's really simple to make. All you need is raw almonds and water. Next,
all-natural, plant-based, non-dairy, gluten-free, and non-GMO shake mixes, which are the basis for my ultimate power breakfast. So many companies make meal replacement shake mixes, but when a shake powder mixed with only water and a little ice tastes creamy, satisfies the appetite, and keeps you going for hours, now that's a good shake.
Next, I add Trace Minerals Plus, which you'll learn more about at tracemineralsplus.com. You really need to get plant-based trace minerals into your body every day, so don't skip this. Next,
add 1 tablespoon of Power Greens Plus. Learn more about this proprietary blend of 14 organic super greens at powergreensplus.com.
I also put in lemon-flavored omega fish oil and a couple of drops of vitamin D. Make sure you have some organic frozen or fresh strawberries and blueberries on hand. Finally, we'll need some frozen greens that I call sink salad. So, now let's make the ultimate power breakfast so you can see how fast and easy this is. Step 1, put 8 ounces of homemade almond coconut milk in the blender. Step 2, add 2 scoops of chocolate or vanilla Power Shake Plus, or mix the 2 flavors together like I do. Step 3,
add Power Greens Plus to your ultimate power breakfast.
Step 4, turn on the blender low to stir this power breakfast up and be sure to put the lid on top. Step 5, drop in 2 teaspoons of fish oil, 2 drops of vitamin D3, and 1 teaspoon of Trace Minerals Plus. Step 6, turn up the blender speed and add in 2 fistfuls of sink salad, about a cup of frozen blueberries, and a cup or 3 or 4 frozen strawberries. Step 7, put the top on the blender, let it run until everything is mixed thoroughly. Depending on your blender, this may take a minute or longer. Pour the power breakfast into a big mug or container, rinse the blender, and take the drink with you, or drink it now. That's it. You're done in 7 steps and 5 minutes or less. You can see how fast this is to make. It cleans up fast too. And the best part is that it stays with you and energizes you all morning. If you want to eliminate some extra pounds, make a couple of these a day. You'll never go hungry. You'll feel fantastic. You'll see cravings disappear, and you'll be amazed at how good you look in 30 days. Making this ultimate power breakfast every day is a win for your time, a win for your wallet, a win for your waistline, and a massive win for your health and well-being.
This is Barbara Brown on behalf of the team at Whole Life Whole Health. Thanks for watching, and until next time, make today matter.